Hey everyone, welcome back to Techsphere. Today we're busting some of the biggest tech myths that people still believe in 2025. Some of these myths have been around for decades, and even though technology has advanced, people still fall for them. So let us set the record straight. Here are 5 tech myths you still believe in 2025. Make sure you stick around till the end, because number 1 is a myth almost everyone believes. Overcharging your phone destroys the battery. A lot of people still believe that if you leave your phone charging overnight, it'll overcharge and damage the battery. That may have been true for older nickel-based batteries decades ago, but modern smartphones use lithium-ion batteries with smart charging systems. Once the phone hits 100%, the charging circuit actually stops drawing power, so overnight charging is safe. The real danger? Heat. If your phone gets hot under the pillow while charging, that can reduce battery health, so just keep it ventilated. More megapixels equals better camera. Camera companies love to advertise huge megapixel counts, -6 for MP, 108 MP, even 200 MP in 2025. But megapixels only tell you how big the image is, not the quality. Image quality comes from sensor size lens quality image processing software that SYN iPhone or Samsung with fewer megapixels can take way better photos than a cheap 200 MP phone. Incognito mode keeps you 100% anonymous. A lot of people think incognito mode equals total privacy. Nope, incognito just prevents your local browser history from saving. Your ISP, Google, your employer, or even the websites you visit can still track you. If you want real privacy, you need tools like a VPN encrypted browsers, like Brave or Tor, good security practices. So no, incognito won't make you invisible online. More bars equals better signal. You've probably looked at your phone and thought, full bars, why is my internet so slow? That's because those bars only show signal strength, not network quality. Your speed depends on network congestion to many users on one tower, bandwidth available technology for 5G, Wi-Fi versus mobile data. So, 5 bars doesn't always mean fast internet. Sometimes, 2 bars on a less crowded network works better. Closing apps saves battery life. This is one of the biggest myths of all time. People constantly close apps thinking it'll save battery. In reality, both iOS and Android are designed to manage background apps efficiently. When you close apps manually, reopening them actually uses more energy than letting them sit in the background. The only time you should force close apps is when they're frozen or misbehaving. Otherwise, you're just making your phone work harder. So there you have it, 5 tech myths you probably still believed in 2025. Charging overnight doesn't kill your battery. Megapixels aren't everything. Incognito mode isn't true privacy. More bars does not equal better signal. Closing apps doesn't save battery. How many of these did you believe? Be honest in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Techsphere, and turn on the notification bell for more future tech explained. See you in the next one.